This will be a video chart update on SNEY. I can't remember the last time I did it, but I know I've done this one a few times recently. And today was just another great day by the bulls. You can see that the price put in new highs and closed at new highs at its levels that it hasn't seen in many months. And in fact, I had to scrunch up the chart and go all the way back to July and even a little bit before that, so I could find the next levels of resistance. So that's always a good sign when you have to really start to pull back the months in order to find where these previous highs are at. Since October, right here, from being sub penny, the stock has truly gone on a nice move. And with this video, it'll just be a quick update. But this chart does actually do, when you expand it this much, does a good job of showing how the chart has made a nice move here, went through a very long consolidation, and then after breaking out of the consolidation has really had a nice continuation move. So after today, first thing to point out as always is, although not huge, it was above average volume. You can see it was bigger than what it's been having. So that's a good sign. But the other thing to note is the price does get more expensive the higher it goes. So dollar volume wise, this day would have been a lot bigger than a few of these other days when the price was cheaper. But regardless, volume acted how you'd want to see it on a breakout day like today. So the first question, where are our support levels? And the first level is just simply right here at 0.0165. That was the previous high that the price needed to get above, and today it accomplished that very nicely, closed well above it. So 0.0165 is going to be the first level of support. But at the end of the day, the key level that we're going to want to see continue to hold, and I know I pointed this out before, is going to be this blue line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. As long as this holds, then the trend is going to be up. So I know there's quite a few longer term players in it, so that'll be the level to keep an eye on. Good example here, what looked like a big nasty pullback, the 50-day held, and now we're seeing the results of that. I know some people that accumulated on this dip, and now they're reaping the rewards of that. Now in terms of resistance levels, this is where the chart really starts to open up. We have one up here at 2 cents, and this is where you have to go way back here. But if you look, you had, let me grab something here, we had a high of 0.019, and then a few weeks later, a high of 0.02. So you can see these two levels here are basically the same, and that's going to be the next key level of resistance. But then check this out. After those levels of resistance, the next one is not until way up here at 3 cents. So things really start to thin out after this 2-cent battleground. I do think this will put up a fight. I don't know how much of a fight, but basically what I'm saying is I wouldn't freak out if the price can't get through here on its first try. But after that, you can see here, nice gap in the levels of resistance. So overall, nice looking chart. And that's all I got now, just a quick update. And if there are any other questions, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was SNEY. Thanks for listening.